Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're live. Sweet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's get into this. Hell yeah. I think we're good. I think we're live. Yeah, we're good, I think. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. About to get our news in a little bit. About to get an IFVG here for a potential short. I'm not going to take the short, but watching this area here. It's possible if we get a nice 2-minute closure. Damn, we got some bullish SMT now. We just wow. Okay, 15-second inversion. We hit these equal highs. We still got these highs up there. Gun to my head, we're gonna reach up to these highs here, these equal highs. Something like this, here to here, and then possibly higher. That's what I'm looking at there. Something just like that. That's some fast displacement. So what I like is that we traded down, created SMT. We left with speed. Okay. We delivered from this fair value gap here. Order blocks. We got relative equal highs all up in here. That's what I like to see there. But we got news in a little bit, so I'm not gonna fuck with it. Even though news is just going to be the catalyst to probably push it up higher. We'll see how that goes, you know. There's order block there. I want to see a better order block here. If we close bullish here in the 3-minute, in the next minute here, that'd be nice and bullish. Especially here on the 2-minute. Another minute left. We're about to get a 10 o'clock hour candle. I know we're in our macro, so maybe we do get a setup in a little bit. I personally think we're gonna go bullish, but I'm just gonna wait and see here. Maybe poke this high again, get a short or something in there. Maybe hit this high and then we short back down into here. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Okay, new hour opens. Pulling down. Maybe now we go bullish. There she goes. Bullish. Now we're pulling back in. After we took out this high. Let's see. 3-minute time frame, rejecting here. Just came right back down to that FVG that we have marked up here. That's a 2-minute FVG. In the next minute, if we close down below this, it'd be clean for it to reach down towards this low and that low there. A 15-minute for value gap here as well. We have not closed under that, which is a bullish sign as of now. More SMT here. Lower low. Gun to my head, we're going higher. Pending home sales, negative 7.7%. It's not really a good sign. The home support, the home data. There she goes. We're about to close under here on the 2-minute time frame. We got bearish SMT here at the highs. If we close under this 2-minute here, if we go 2020, I would say this could be a valid setup. Never close under it. I know we got bearish SMT up here. One, two, three. Shifted lower. I mean, this is obviously more of a clear sell, you know. Get this close under, retest here. Closed lower there. Market open, had a nice short. Notice how we rejected that 2-minute gap, just like that. With more SMTs. We inverted this 30-second here, equal highs there. Okay, so we have SMTs there. What if those SMTs hold? That's the question. And then we end up going bullish. That looks good. I know I was bearish, but then we inverted this 30-second. About to hit this high here. Okay. We hit this high on YM. We didn't hit it here on NQ yet. Okay, there we go. We just hit it on NQ. I ended up taking that buy. I didn't close anything yet, but I'm gonna be looking for. I'm in like right here. Looking for this high. My stop was right there. And I'm looking for the next high after this one. So, first TP is about to be hit. So here's the account. First TP is about to be hit, and then I'm looking for the next one. We'll say right here. Not going to be greedy on it. 50% of that wick. Just taps this high, I'll get out. Like I said, like right here. Yeah, it might not do it, you know? If we poke through this high here, I'll close it. Oh yeah, it's gonna pull back. See that? It's a little choppy right now. I know it's early, but I mean that was like a valid setup in my opinion. We didn't blow through the high yet. He needs to go through the high. What time is it? 07? Okay, still got some time. We might come back, retest, break even, then I just wait. Let's wait some more. It's gonna push through on ES any second now. Looks like it's gonna push right through here on NQ as well. I should have did. Alright, I'm closing that just one there. Let the other one go. Just wanted to lock in something. Close the next one up a little bit higher here. I know we're playing on this breaker now. Order block and stuff like that. So pay attention to what we got there. But I closed that trade because we had bearish SMT and it just took out equal highs. And I wanted to take something off the table just in case it did pull back. Which it is. It's about to hit me a break. Yep, break even right there. So I locked in about 294 on that trade. So I'm happy about that. Partials on that bitch. So this is my trade I had. This is bullish SMT from here to here. And we had equal highs here. And then we had these equal highs here. Damn! gun to my head, we are going to close like this and then go bearish. We definitely just inverted this. I would say this is more likely to go short now. We got this 1 minute inversion here, as well as that. I know we closed the inversion here after SMT. Close the inversion there. So here's short entry right here. Stop right above here, targeting down to here. I mean, as you can tell, this one's a lot better of a trade setup than that buy that I just took. But, I mean, it is what it is, you know? Yeah, I was focused on the buy to see if it wanted to get up to these highs up there, but it obviously didn't. Bearish order flow. Hey, it might reach down into these lows now too. That'd be pretty fat. See how it plays in this area here. 4 hour time frame. I need these all side by side here. Yeah, dude, these markets don't look fucking good at all. They look like they want to bleed, man. This might be a day where everybody thinks it's gonna go bullish, but it doesn't, you know? There are days like that. Bearish SMT at the wicks now. Yeah, everybody get a fat 15-minute closure here. Like I was saying, over there it was bullish because we didn't get an inversion below that 15-minute. But now we're closing down below that, so that is now bearish. But we'll see how price continues to react down here. It could have been like a one and done with a short right there too. Allergies are ridiculous, man. My eyes. Holy shit. Allergies, bro. See if it plays off this breaker now. Up here. We get back into that. I would say more bearishness at this point. Oh yeah. I mean, it's been SMT both sides. Really depends how you're playing this shit right now. Do we go take out these highs? know. We're living off this fair value gap now. The one I was mentioning earlier. Now the question is, do we invert this 2 minute? I mean, I wasn't really so hyped up on this short, but I mean, as you can tell, it created that fair value gap, inverted that fair value gap here on both indices after creating the SMT, which is when I closed my trade. Now it's busting on through now. We got bullish SMT with IM. Yeah, that's some fat bullish SMT. It's not a singular fair value gap, so it's gonna be a little bit of a play here. I mean, we inverted this 30-second. We're playing in this 30-second now. Staying out for now. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, now we got this we're playing off of. Like I said, we're playing off this breaker now. You know, these down close candles, this breaker, you draw it out. Now we gotta see if we get SMT bearish in here to tell us if it wants to keep shorting or not. I mean, we keep getting strong. If we keep getting strong reactions on like a 5 minute bullish, I'm gonna change my mind back to bullish. You know. I know we got these relative equal highs here. I'm up there. Got this high there. Fair value gap now. I mean, this could be institutional order flow entry drill right now. Staying bullish here, pulling back here. Stop below order block. Target there, target up here. What's holding me back is that there's so much this has to get through, and we're playing out this breaker now. I would like to see another distribution down. I mean, the thing is, we don't need that though. Goes a nice rejection off of there. Okay, now we got more SMT paired with that. It's not too bad. 10:20. So we're just starting another macro right now. It looks like, okay, we got equal highs here still. We're trading deeper into this order block. We got equal highs up here. The question is this too early to get in? That's the question. Does this bounce off? It's not. I took a position on this just to try it. We'll see if it does well. I know we got SMTs. Good equal highs we're about to reach too. I think it's worth the risk personally. Okay, we're poking this high now, so that adds more risk to this position. So I wouldn't want to see this low broken now. Okay, I like this now. We're pushing on through. We're getting up to this high here. About to be at 20 points. I'm going to take one off. Once we get to that high there. Fucking water bottles in the way. We're up into this area. We're digging higher. Poke just a little bit higher. Pokes at 1 minute right there. I'll close this bitch. Floor sells off anyway. It's good. I feel like it's one of them's gonna go hit that. I moved the stops to break even already, so it's already risk-free. Next TP will be at these equal highs here. Or I'll move it right down to the rejection block, 746. $746. Not gonna lie, there's a little bit of fear of entering that, and it's like, I don't know why. Saw the rejection, I saw the SMTs. Yeah, I don't know why there's a little bit of fear in there. Price looks like it wants to push up to and through that high there. Oh, 10 seconds left. I want to see it push up, invert this 5 minute. That'd be ideal. Might not do it. No, did not. Notice how we're making lower low, higher low. Continuing to leave this high intact in all of them. Okay, break even just hit after partials. So 378 on the day. Let's wait for another setup to form. Need to wait for more information anyway. This is kind of sus. It's like pulling down pretty deep or equal lows down here. Yeah, I hit break even, then we're just gonna rip up to the profit area up there. But I mean, that's what happens in the market sometimes. I had good execution and risk management, and that's what matters. It's about to fucking explode, bro. Price might not want to get up there right now. They might want to sell off once more, which is fine. Which I won't be part of because it's not spitting out the signal I wanna see. At least not yet, at least. Okay. Ugh. we got this 3-minute fair value gap here. We're obviously working our way down. We have SMTs at these lows, but they could easily be invalidated if we keep getting heavy closures down. But since we tapped this discounted fair value gap here, I want to pay attention to see if this wants to keep giving more bullish closures or not. So we said new 30-minute open. Does this trade down, go higher, or is it just trade down? Okay. ES has relative equal lows down here. We gotta watch these closures. 3 minutes about to close pretty bearish below this inversion. We're getting some wick SMT here, but nothing too crazy. I mean, I say this could keep coming down. We got this 1 minute for value gap here. We're about to invert. There's a 3-minute one as well. 3-minute right here. So we just inverted that 3-minute. Do we retest it and sell off? I'd say we do. I would say we do. I'd say that's a good sign to sell off. That's if none of these have hit the low already. So if we do that, we're probably selling a lot farther than just right here. It's hard to say because like this is the one that took liquidity. And we're back into 50% of that wick compared to this order block. Things are obviously looking heavy. If we were to go higher, I feel like it would have by now. Minute. You look at the 30-minute as well. It's just inverted the 30-minute over here. At the end of the day, it's risky business trying to short this at this discount already. I took the short, but I already moved it to break even. We're probably gonna get hit out of break even. We'll see. We'll see if this rips down to these lows or not. I mean, I'm going to leave the trade open. I mean, I could hit this low and then revert and go bullish. Then that's an opportunity where I take a long because we still have bullish SMT. I'm not married to this bitch. All right, nice 5-minute closure. Yeah, that's fucking deep. She goes dipping in there. Okay, are we going to get a confirmation with this falling through? Yes, has to confirm. Yo, this might be fucking ugly today. Down below this low, down into here. I don't know, man. It doesn't take a dummy to see that 5 minutes just goes pretty bearish. I would say these lows could be suspect now. At least a here minimum at this point, because we got the 5-minute gap. Let's see if we come down here. Regular trading hours. I mean, we got these relative equal lows here. Yeah, I might just get hit out of break even right now, which is cool. Because I know we do have the bullish SMT now. This breaker. Yeah, now I got this order block to retest, push up, break even. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna leave it though. I'm gonna leave my trade open. It's gonna do what it's gotta do. Yeah, new 30-minute open instantly started trading lower. Bullish SMT. Okay, we still got bullish SMT over here. How does dollar look? Okay, break even just hit. Dollar's looking heavy too. Maybe down to here. So yeah, if dollar's heavy, I'm bullish over here. Just look at all this buy side we have now. I mean, I'm not trying to catch every move, but man, let me tell you. It's there. I'm just gonna hit my break even, then go back down, motherfucker. Yeah, it might be exactly what it's fucking doing. Because now, look at that. That's the high I was saying that none of them took. YM just took it. I don't know, man. This does not look bullish to me. Not one bit. Not yet. SMTs, yeah, but... I'm gonna close in 16 seconds. This is not bullish. And we sell off to my level where my break even got hit. Because my entry was like right here. That's what pissed me off, dude. That would be like $700 move. Fuck this stupid ass shit. Yeah, they're all falling through. This is bearish order flow. Look at the fucking rally gap here. Trade down. SMT.
For unlimited listening, head over to brain.fm.
Hit this low though. I'm gonna pay attention to what we get after. Looks like we're really gonna hit this low and then we're gonna bounce back in maybe. I think there's like a lot of liquidity up here I might want to come get. I mean, I was right yesterday. This happened a lot later in the day. It's consolidated. You know, like yesterday I was looking for these lows, this low. It just took its time chopping in here. Eventually on the market close it traded down. really no good setups. Remember I had this small short up here. From here down. And break even. There she goes, taking out that fucking low. Sweet. Now we hit that low. Do we get this inversion like we just did? And do we push up to these highs now? I don't necessarily see Wickham SMT though. Order block now. Higher. Gun to my head, I think we're gonna go higher now. Look at that bullish SMT we have. I just think it's too early for me to want to like go in and risk. We got this for value gap here in the 30-second. There she goes. Yeah, it's crazy though. I didn't get to take that short. I mean, it hit me out of break even, but shit, man. mean, we're about to enter our macro now, so I'm going to be paying attention to SMTs and shit. And inversions. I know we got SMTs at these wicks, but that's just really small. I just have to take a phone call. Alright guys, I'm going to be watching this fair value gap that's up here. We're getting some more SMTs that are forming. That's enough for me. I know this trade's a little bit early. I just like that we took liquidity and we're getting like higher time frame SMT, pretty big time. Higher low, lower low. Now we got this order block here in the 4 minute. Now we got this order block here, SMTs. Got draw on liquidity. There's like an order block right there. I mean, I could enter one trade now. The stop is gonna be kind of big on that. A little bit more than I like. Yeah, that's a little bit better. My best trades. I know what they look like. So this is just early. So I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines right now. Yeah, I just can't believe that damn trade hit me at break even. Like, that was like a pretty good short, like right here. Just about to there. There's about almost 2R. Then we hit the low and moved to break even. Fucking hit my break even. Could just move stops to like right here though. It's all good. Because we had SMTs up there as well. There she goes, baby. Yeah, right there is my break even. Because I entered right here. Fucking A, dude. Okay, I see you. Pulling right back in. Give us some more time in here. Let's see if it wants to give some more accumulation or not. Yeah, unless this damn thing wants to stay heavy, man. Let me tell you. Rejecting that fair value gap. If we get another trade down lower, below this low, I'm gonna watch to see what we get here. If we trade down one more time, push up, or if we get up above this inversion, take the buy. Otherwise, we could just keep selling off, you know? There's no buy confirmation yet. I mean, like, bearish 15-minute closure, big time. Usually don't see it close bearish and then instantly close way up here. You'll see some type of consolidation. SMTs and then a move. Unless we just pull back, get more SMTs in here, and then we short back down. We just got more SMTs here. Oh yeah, that's big time right there. Yeah, now it looks like we're gonna play out these order blocks here. These bullish order blocks. Something like this. Maybe. I'd want to see that 2-minute inversion. I'll take a buy if we get up above this inversion here. We'd also be closing up about 50% of this wick if we do get that. Otherwise, like, the risk is like really freaking high right now. Got a rejection block here. I mean, like, that's like the last line of defense right there. Let's see how this goes. It's gonna get pretty good. I know it's almost 11, so we got 10 minutes after 11 I'll be on. So between now and 11:10, I want to look for something good. Okay, we got lower lows in here. Higher low there. That's a good sign. So if we do get this buy, I'd be looking for this high here. That's if this does present at some point. And then obviously these equal highs up here. First set's right there. But obviously if it just sells off and keeps selling off, then obviously like right now I'm not going to be in it. Yeah, 15 minutes, heavy as fuck too. We got 5 seconds on this new hour candle. Let's see how this presents. Damn, I would have liked to see it move down first. Let's see. There she goes, moving down, poking up. More SMT there. Let's see, hit that low and create some inversions. I haven't taken a trade yet on this account, and I will today if we get something good. I'm looking at Tesla right now, but I'll take it on the futures here if we get something good. Is there SMT at these highs here? There might be. I guess, yeah. It's staying heavy right now. I don't want to see this 3-minute close like this. I want to see it either like hit this low and reject or like something. Oh yeah, we got another minute 20 on this. Make sure I get my contracts ready. Yeah, I got 3 ready. I'll risk like 1,200 on this trade. We'll see if he'll win or not. If something does present here. Fuck it. Wow, we're leaving the displacement big time right now. We got SMTs here. Equal highs up there. We'll see how this 3-minute closes, you know? Let's see this close kind of bullish here. No. Motherfucker. Love to see like either push up, down, inversion, SMT. This is like fucking A+ if that does set up. Liquidity, 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 liquidity. Just gotta keep being patient. Alright, there we go. Taking the low. Notice how we're staying lower here, staying up higher there. Staying higher up here. Now, I want to get ready in case there's like a quick inversion anywhere. And we got bearish SMT now too, so higher high, lower high. I mean, this could just send all of them fucking lower. This 5-minute close like this too, that's bearish as well. Even if this starts to fall in the next 13 seconds, it's bearish too. Oh my god, it's going to too. Wow. Yeah. There we go. It's gonna keep selling. Just look at that shit. Heavy. Got liquidity there. I'm gonna mark that up. That could be our next target there. That's if that wants to hit. Oh my god, we're okay. We still got bullish SMT. Lower low, higher low. If we invert this, I'd say it's possible to go long. I'll take one small position. I expect a loss on this, but oh man. So you take one off here. We'll see if this one plays out. I expect a loss in this one. I just like the SMTs. Where's like 20 points? I want to see my 20 points. 20 points could be like this first high there. Next one will come off up here. Last one way up there. I'm just gonna let it go. I don't really give a fuck. Sticking to my trading plan. That's all that fucking matters. That's really all that fucking matters. Liquidity, SMT. Draw on liquidity. Yeah, I don't like how they're all fucking dipping into it now. Oh, this one's not. So that's good. If we hit this high here, I'm gonna move my stops no matter what. The one trade of the day, we'll see. If we break this high here too, I'm going break even. At least reduce my stops, you know. I'll break even 2 of them. Okay, yeah, we just poked that high there. I'm reducing my risk on this one. Right down below the IFVG here. 9 points, it's fucking nothing. I'm moving stops to break even now. We just poked out the short-term high here. I'm gonna change it, only break even 2. Just because I want to like still be in the position in case it does want to continue. I'll reduce the risk to still step one of these down here. If that's the case. We're pretty nice right now. Like I said, first target up here, 20 points. Okay. I'm looking at this, we got the order block there. I know we just poked that high. Look at all this other liquidity up here. Same up here too. I might just be early to trade. I think break even's about to be hit. It is what it is. If it gets hit, you know, I don't really give a fuck. Order block here. We'll see if that sends it higher. Okay, break even hit on 2 of my contracts. I got 1 open. Yeah, 2 of my contracts at break even. I still got 1 open. That's nothing though, really. So if this is the case, I'm gonna close it up at this 5-minute high. Up here. If that's really where it wants to go. Yeah, we came all the way down here. I got my stop right below the new week opening gap. It's probably gonna get hit just based on like what I'm seeing here in the chart, but I mean, I planned my trade, I executed it. I would say my execution was perfect to my trading plan, and I mean, like, that's all I can fucking judge myself by. I can't control what's gonna happen next now. I mean, I could close my trade and just act like a pussy, but at the same time, I could just hold the trade, see if it plays out because I took the trade. You know, because when I saw this candle in the SMT, we inverted this 30-second here. I had no idea if it was going to rip right up to my TP. Like, obviously, that'd be ideal, all right? But I can't tell the future, and I'm not going to act like I can, you know? It's been consolidating for 7 minutes now. That's not what I like to see. Okay, but it's like, it's promoting like my discipline and my patience. And that's all I can do. And if it does, there is a possibility of it ripping back down to my stop loss. And it's like, I gotta just live with it, you know? I manage my risk. I'm not gonna blow my account with this one trade. But like I said, I'm gonna let it be because most of the time it works out, you know? This time, might not, you know? And if it doesn't, it's fine, whatever. Like, I'm seeing this rejection here, you know? Like, look at the order block here on the 5-minute. Liquidity, discount, liquidity. It's probably just building more liquidity for later. At the same time, we could sell off and then get the buy later, you know? So we'll see what happens. Like I said, probably gonna get a stop loss. Yeah, now we have more bearish SMT. This is just ripping higher to these highs now. It's like YM's doing what I wanted NQ to do. From when I entered NQ, we basically been chopping. But when I entered NQ, at the same time, YM has just been going higher. So YM is doing what I wanted NQ to do. And I mean, I just gotta accept that, you know? Can't control it. Okay, we just traded down more into this discount again. Down below this low as well. We'll see if it breaks higher, uses this as an order block, then it might go higher, you know? Or we just come back down to my stop. It's 11:15. I mean, it's not really a probable time anymore. This candle just took this liquidity here. So, I don't want to see price come down below that, honestly. So from entry to here is 6 points. So this is fucking nothing. One contract on this account, on a 150K account, is nothing. So I'm just gonna let this be, honestly. Like, I'm gonna set my alerts. I'm probably just gonna leave it, let it go. I'm gonna get off my screen though. I mean, if it plays out, set my alerts. Cool. That'd be sick. Leave it right there. So for maybe like 600 bucks to here. A little more than 600 if we get to here. There she goes. She's ripping on up now. 5-minute order blocks playing off pretty well. I could lock in my 135, but I'm not, you know. Here she goes. Rip it on up. Are we gonna get that? Oh no, that 2-minute version's up here. Duh. Take profit like right below that. There we go. Took parcels on my other account. There we go. Wow. Cool. Moving my stops to break even now. She goes, ripping off the lows. 2-minute closure, looking good. Ripping up to this sell amount. I only got 1 contract on, so like I said, if I had my 3 contracts on right now, it'd be like 1,200 profit at this point. But I'd be taking 1 off here. But since I only got 1 on, I'm just gonna let it go. Like, let it be. Ah, man. So I scaled 1 off of my other account. Let's see where we're at with these other ones here. I mean, we're getting fat in this order block up here. 15-minute. If we close bullish like this, I mean that's a good sign. With the high of the NWOG on ES here. Yeah, this might just pull right back down, you know? Look, we came up, took out this buy side. Wonder if this is just a soup above here. And then we work our way back down. I mean, then we just hit break even on this account. Like I was telling everybody before. Entry here. 2020. So 20 points, 20 points. Take profit already right here. So that's like a really good scale point. We just got to be able to accept the risk and understand that this chop is going to play out and just be okay with the stop loss, you know? No stop loss happened. I mean, I had to break even. I want to pull all three of these up next to each other right now. I'm gonna start making a lower low here. I'm making a higher low here. Let's bullish SMT again. We just made equal highs here. You go down to like a 5 second here. Look at these equal highs that are sitting right there. There we go. We took this liquidity there. 5 second time frame. Order block here. Came up, inverted this 5 second. Hit these equal highs here. As soon as we hit the equal highs, we pull back. Price is all fractal, guys. As well, look at the SMT. Lower low, higher low. And we're already bullish. Just based on where we are and what time it is, I want to be satisfied with this. I'll just take it off right there. There we go. There's a win on the day. Entry here. It's likely to keep going higher up to that TP that I had. My stop loss was right about here. So take profit happened right about there. It's a pretty good one contract. I mean, 345 on this account, and then 462 on this one. This one was in drawdown, but I got it back up. Not bad, not bad. So break even here on this account. Well, took 3 here, broke even 2 because we hit this high, we hit this buy side. And I wanted to reduce my risk on this trade and not like give money back, I guess. So the buy side was taken there, so I reduced my risk there. Left the stop below the new week opening gap and the inversion over here. Yeah, this thing, we're gonna keep ripping probably. Yeah, look at this fucker go. And I took the other position off here. And then, obviously I was looking for higher buy side. Up there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it as that. But I'm not perfect, but I mean, there's always room for improvement. This goes right in my notes. Alright guys, but I'm gonna get off. I got other business work to do, but take it easy. Love y'all. Peace out. Not financial advice.